Yes, Gurudev. Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying in the home. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about it, the laws of exponents, along with that is example problems and the exercise problems. And in the exercise, we are discussing about the long answers in this class. Okay. Yes. So in that is what is the first problem, dear children? That means is find the value of minus 1 by 2 whole power 5 divided by minus 1 by 2 whole power 4 divided by minus 1 by 8 divided by minus 1 by 4. It means is we have to be simplify this value. Okay. So to do the solution of that, I am taking as a minus 1 by 2 whole power 5 divided by minus 1 by 2 whole power 4 is divided by minus 1 by 8 divided by minus 1 by 4. I am taking this as the question I wrote there. Yes, understand? Now next step is what we are doing, that means is just powers value have to be written in this one. Okay, what is the powers will becomes is equals to. So minus negative powers will becomes when we are having as a odd number, we should be get the negative. Okay, we should have that when we are having that minus power as a odd numbers, we should be get that is negative. Even powers means is positive, we should be get. Okay, so that is minus 1 by 2 power 5. 2 power 5 will becomes is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means is 2 to z 4, 4 to z 8, 8 to z 16, 16 to z 32. Okay, so that is 32 divided by s. So minus power 4. 4 is an even number, so that is we should begin as a positive. That is the 1 power 4 will becomes is 1 divided by 2 power 4 is a 2. How many times you should be multiply the children? 4 times. That is 2 to z 4, 4 to z 8, 8 to z 16. Okay, so that is 16 divided by s. So minus 1 by 8 divided by minus 1 by 4. We have to write as usual. That is minus 1 by 8 divided by minus 1 by 4. Okay, so then it is equals to. Next, when we are having as a fraction by fraction. Okay, so when we are having as a numerator also one fraction and denominator also a fraction, that second fraction will become this multiply with the first fraction with its reciprocals. Okay, so that is minus 1 by 32 into s. Second fraction will becomes 1 by 16. Its reciprocal will becomes is 16 by 1. Okay, so next divided by same as today. I am cancelling that minus and minus. What is the next one, children? 1 by 8 into second fraction will becomes 1 by 4, children. That's 1 by 4 will becomes is 4 by 1. Okay, so is equals to just what is it? It is possible to do this cancellation. You have to do in this one now. Okay, so that is 16 1 z 16 2 z as well as 4 1 z 4 2 z s. So then numerator becomes a minus 1 into 1 will become 6 minus 1 by 2 1 z 2 divided by next 1 1 z 1 divided by 2 1 z 2. Okay, see the children, once you have to observe that here is what they are having children between the two fractions is divided by s. So like this what we done that is here also we want to do the same children, that is equals to minus 1 by 2 into second fraction will becomes 1 by 2. Then what should be the children? 2 by 1 s. So then 2 will becomes a cancel is equals to minus 1 1 is 1 divided by 1 1 is 1. 1 by 1 will become 1. Okay, they should understand now. Then we are going to the second one. What does that mean? Is if 4 power x plus 4 power x like this is 8 times is there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times we are having as a 4 power x. Yes. So then is equals to, next solution is, what the solution means is equals to 1 by 512. Okay, then what we have to find the value of that is minus 3 by x. Means is first we have to find the value of x. Okay, so to find that is, what we are doing, that means is 4 power x is how many times is there, children? 8 times, no. So that is 8 into 4 power x is equals to 1 by 512. Yes. So then 8 I'll present that side now. Okay, so that is 4 power x is equals to 1 by 512 into 1 by 8. Okay, so then is equals to, that is 4 power x is equals to 1 by 512. As 512 we should be write it as, by taking HM is 2. As so 2 z, then 10 to 5z, then 12 to 6z, then 1z to 2z to 8z, then 6z to 4z, to 3z to 2z, then 1z to 6z, then 8z to 4z to 2z. Okay, so how many times you are getting this line? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so then will become 6 2 power 9 into 1 by 8 will become 6. How many times will get this line? 8 will become 1 2 3, means is 2 power 3. Okay, so then 4 is how much you should get this line? 4 will become 6. So 2 2 means is 2 square, children. That is 2 square 4 power x is equals to 1 by 2 power 9 into 2 power 3 will become 6 2 power 9 plus 3. Okay, let's understand now. Then what is the formula which children? That is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so that is m plus n. Based on that we are writing like this. So then after is 2 power 2 into x is 2x is equals to 1 by 2 power 9 plus 3 children 12. Okay, so that is 12. By which formula written this one, children? That is a power m whole power m is equals to a power m. Okay, so based on that we written as a 2 power 12. Okay, as a here is 2 power 2x. So then what the next step will become is 2 power 2x is equals to x. So then what are writing the children means is 2 power minus 12 should be get. Yes or no, children? Because of by which formula means is a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. Okay, means is we are having the form of that 1 by a power n s is equals to a power minus n. Okay, so we are taking as a, this one is 1 by 2 power 2 will become 2 power minus 12. Okay, so then next step will become 6. What is children that is? Since bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Yes or no, children? So then 2x is equals to 2x is equals to minus 12. Okay, so next we should find the value of x, that is x is equals to minus 12 by 2 will become 6. 2 1 z, 2 6 z, that is x is equals to minus 6. Okay, so now we got the value of x here is, what we have to find as well? Minus 3 by x. Minus 3 by x. So that is minus 3 by x is equals to minus 3 by x value is how much you got this one? Minus 6. So then minus will becomes a cancel. 3 1 z, 3 2 z. That is minus 3 by x is equals to how much you got this children? 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 is the value of the minus 3 3 by x. They should understand now. One more problem, right? What are given there? One sort of observe that if x power again x power 3 by 2. Okay, for this x also the power we are having. Again for this x also we are having power 3 by 2 is equals to x power 3 by 2 whole power x. It means for this one we are having the power is x. So then we have to find the value of x. Okay, yes. So to find the place x power again x power 3 by 2 is equals to yes. Children, don't write it as a x will becomes as again is x is base. Okay, so only single x will becomes his base. X power again x power 3 by 2, that is as well as x power 3 by 2 whole power x. Okay, so what I given that is written now. Yes, so what we'll do that means is first you have to simplify this one is based on that which property children, that is a power m whole power n. Okay, so based on that x power again x power 3 by 2 is equals to x power 3 by 2 into x. Okay, so that is the based on that a power m whole power n is equals to a power m n. Okay, so then after will becomes is x power again x power 3 by 2 is equals to x power 3x by 2. Okay, so since you have to be think as a this both also bases. Okay, so since bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Okay, so since bases are equal, then equal the powers. Equal the powers. Yes, what we are telling here is the power is that is x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 is equals to 3x by 2. Yes or no children? So then after is here x power 3 by 2 and here is x power 1 no children. So then x power 1 is not to be sent to the left hand side. Okay, so that is x power 3 by 2 by x power 1 how to be think that is nothing is there means we have to be consider as a 1 only children 1. So it's equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so then after says here is x power will becomes is 3 by 2 and when you are taking as a numerator will becomes how much should get the children 1. Okay, so it's equals to 3 by 2. Okay, based on which formula line a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Yes or no children? So then after says x power you have to take it as a LCM is 2. Yes or no children? That is by 1. So 2 will become the same as 3 minus 2 1 side 2 is equals to 3 by 2. Yes, so then here x power 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so x power 1 by 2 will become is what is the meaning of this line? Means is square root of the x. Yes, so is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, now we have to find the value of exponential so that will become is squaring on both sides. Okay, what we want to do children? Squaring on both sides you have to do this. Squaring on both sides. Okay, so when we are doing squaring on both sides will become is root x whole square is equals to 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, both sides we are doing the squaring now. Yes, then square is cancelled. Yes or no children? Then x is equals to 3 square will becomes 9, 2 square is 4. So that is x value is how much you got the children? 9 by 4. Means is 9 by 4 is the value of x. Dear children, understand now? I hope you are all understand about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what we are sending the homework and class wise, must you have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me without fail. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.